Hey folks, we are live tonight in Cameron County near one of the big wind farms over here where all the wind turbines are spinning, producing awful lot of electricity. We talked about it, just this wind farm alone, enough electricity for 30,000 homes, and there are hundreds of these wind turbines around the valley. Wind has been one of the issues the last couple of days, but temperatures are going to be the issues the next couple of days. Look at tomorrow's highs, and across the valley we're looking at readings well up into the 90s in most areas, 95 in Harlingen tomorrow, same thing in Weslaco. You look at Edinburgh, about 97. And then Starr County, Rio Grande City, probably up to 100 degrees. And with that comes some humidity. Dew points are in the 70s, so we're looking at summer-like humidity across the region. Now, as far as beyond tomorrow, I think the next 7 days are all going to be at or above average, at least until the end of the weekend. If you take a peek, we're looking at the normal high, which is now closing in on 90. The temperatures the next few days will certainly be above that. By the time we get into the weekend, our rain chance goes up a little bit by Monday, and with that, our high temperature may be right at normal, but each day, even with that, staying certainly at or above what we typically see this time of year. Around the state of Texas, it's 97 this afternoon in Odessa. Move to the east, it's 84 in Abilene, same thing, Dallas, East Texas, all readings in the 80s. Laredo checks in at 95 this afternoon. Satellite radar across the state shows there's been a relatively quiet day, especially in our part of the state. Just a few low clouds this morning. It was gray early, but those clouds broke up, ended up with sunshine this afternoon, and some rain out to the west of Texas in New Mexico, Arizona, and then off to the northwest in Colorado and Utah in the Four Corners region. Here's the European, shows what's going to happen the next few days, and the suggestion is that we end up seeing a couple of fronts move across the map. The first one stays to the north of us, triggers some showers and even thunderstorms in the state tomorrow, perhaps some severe weather in central and north Texas, but here I think we're going to be, again, on the south side looking in at it, probably not getting much out of that at all, so we just stay warm and breezy. That goes for Thursday as well, and probably about the same thing for Friday. But by the time we get to the weekend, that next front on the map continues pushing southward, and when that gets close, it's likely to trigger some showers and thunderstorms. A lot of rain north of us, but for us, spotty stuff, isolated showers, maybe a thunderstorm when that front pushes into the region late Saturday into Sunday, and then the front kind of stalls right near the valley. And when that happens, then we've got a decent shot at some showers and thunderstorms. Best chance comes on Monday. No real cooling. We showed you the high on Monday, still 90, but with that front in the neighborhood, at least the shot at a little bit of rain. Front begins to pull back to the north late Monday into Tuesday. That'll take the best chance for rain with it off to the north. How much rain are we talking about? Well, most of Texas gets more than we do. Take a look, and you can see this map shows a bullseye in the middle of the state with totals 2.5 inches or so up there, but for us, through Friday, not much. Through Saturday, isolated showers begin to show up. But again, you look, the biggest of the rain certainly stays up in the hill country of Texas. Down here, we're looking at spotty showers and totals, for the most part, less than 1/2 inch across our region. Your rain chances the next 7 days are pretty low until we get to the end of the forecast period. We're mainly dry through at least Friday, but then notice how it goes up Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and then begins to fade away by the time we get to Tuesday. If you're headed to the coast, here's what's going on. Take a peek. We've got your coastal forecast for you. It shows the winds, the seas, the bay waters, everything you need to know about being at the coast, the temperatures as well. Wind tomorrow southerly most of the day, a little gusty, but probably not as bad as today. Your tides for tomorrow show up on the screen along with the bay temperature, and right now we're looking at, for the most part, a moderate chop on the bay, maybe getting a little choppier from time to time, seas running 5 to 7 feet. So tonight across the valley, skies stay clear early, but then we cloud up later on. By morning, we're mostly cloudy, breezy, warm and muggy, southeasterly winds, lows in the upper 70s. Tomorrow, back in the mid-90s, a lot of clouds early like today, but by afternoon, the clouds burn off when we get some sunshine. If you take a peek at the next few days, our best chance for showers comes late in the weekend into early next week. Until then, I think you're looking at least some sunshine every day, temperatures every day in the mid-90s, nighttime lows in the upper 70s. Again, this breeze that's out here now will still be breezy tomorrow, maybe not quite as strong as today, and then it builds back up again late in the week and into the weekend. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast live in Cameron County. Tim Smith, Channel 5 News at 6.